Hi, Tony from SongWriters Chop Shop here. Writing from a title is a really effective way to start a song. But what if you come up with a great title and don't know what the song's going to be about? Here are some things you can do. Start asking questions like, does it provoke any imagery, like Chandelier by Sia? Or is it more abstract, like Dua Lipa's Don't Start Now? Does it feel good to sing? List anything you can think of associated with the title. This doesn't have to be just words. Engage the creative mind by sketching or doodling the things associated with your title. And keep asking questions, like what does the title mean? Why are you saying it? How do you feel about it? Why is it important? Any who, what, when, where, why and how questions you can think of. And what's the universal truth behind the idea and what do you want to say about it? Catch you next time.